Alkaptonuria. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Did they just make up that word? Nope, it's real. And it means your body can't break down a substance called homogentisic acid. What happens when that builds up? Well, your urine starts to look like a cup of coffee after your third refill, but without the caffeine kick. Oh, and your cartilage turns dark. It's like your body's saying, I'm going for that goth aesthetic today. Honestly, this disease is so rare. It's like if you found a unicorn, but it only existed in the land of, I have no idea what this is. It affects about 1 in a million people. So next time someone says, you're 1 in a million, remember that's a rare compliment, and possibly a medical diagnosis. Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, EDS. Imagine if your body was like one of those action figures with super bendy joints, except you're not a toy, and your skin might look like you've just jumped out of a slip and slide. Yeah, it's that kind of party. Your joints can move in ways that would make anyone else scream, that's not normal. It can cause your skin to stretch like the elastic waistband of your sweatpants after Thanksgiving dinner. Plus, you can bruise like a peach. So basically, you're a walking, talking human rubber band who needs to be very careful about those oops, I fell moments. Fabry disease. Sounds like a cool name, right? Like some mysterious French pastry. Oh, I'll have a Fabry, please. But no, this is a genetic condition that causes a fat buildup in your blood vessels. Your heart, kidneys, and nerves start to feel like, ugh. Not again, Fabry. Symptoms include burning sensations, kidney problems, and a flair for the dramatic when you feel pain. Seriously. If your body starts acting like it's hosting an ongoing soap opera, you might just be dealing with Fabry. Don't worry, it's rare. Only about 1 in 40,000 to 60,000 people have it. Gaucher disease, where your body can't break down certain fats. So, what happens? You get fatty buildups in your spleen, liver, and bones. Basically, your body's like, hey, I'm gonna save all the fat for later, maybe as a snack. Fun fact, it's rare, but in certain populations, like Ashkenazi Jews, it's more common. It affects about 1 in 50,000 to 100,000 people. So, while you're binge watching Netflix, these cells are out here storing fat like it's a Black Friday sale. Huntington's disease. This is the one with a dramatic flair. It's like your body suddenly forgets how to throw a party and just shuts everything down. It affects the brain and slowly messes with your movements, thinking, and emotions. Imagine if your brain decided to start taking a nap in the middle of a meeting. Not cool. It's genetic. And symptoms typically show up in your 30s or 40s. So it's like the midlife crisis of diseases, except instead of buying a convertible, your brain's like, you know what? I'm done. It's rare, affecting 1 in 10,000 people. Yikes. Landau-Kleffner syndrome sounds like something out of a wizard movie, right? Well, it's actually a condition where kids lose the ability to speak and understand language. So basically, the brain decides, you know what? I'm just going to delete the language folder. It happens in kids age 3 to 7 and affects 1 in 100,000. And before you ask, no, there's no magic fix, but speech therapy can help. Still, it's a pretty intense language vanish trick to pull. Maple syrup urine disease. This sounds like a Halloween prank, but it's a real disease where your body can't process certain amino acids. So what happens? Your urine smells sweet, like maple syrup to be exact. Imagine someone walking by and you're like, hey, what's that sweet smell? Turns out, it's just your pee. But no worries, folks. With a special diet, people with MSUD can manage it. They just gotta avoid the temptation of tasting their own urine. Sickle cell disease. Sounds cool. Like something from a pirate movie, but it's not. This genetic condition makes red blood cells shaped like a sickle, and they block blood flow, causing pain and potential organ damage. While this disease mostly affects African Americans, it can happen to anyone. It's rare, but when it strikes, you feel like your body is auditioning for a soap opera with all the drama. Spinal muscular atrophy, SMA. It's like if your muscles decided, you know what, I'm too lazy to work today, and just stopped. SMA is a condition that affects motor neurons, leading to muscle weakness and loss of motor skills. So basically, your body takes a nap while you're still awake. It affects about 1 in 10,000 births, and while there's no cure yet, some treatments can help people live longer. It's like a reboot for your muscles, just needs a little patience. Adrenoleukodystrophy, ALD. It's a disease that messes with the brain and the adrenal glands. Basically, your brain becomes the classic overthinker, trying to process too much information at once and just giving up. It's rare and mainly affects boys. Symptoms start in childhood, and without treatment, ALD can get pretty serious. But thankfully, gene therapy has given people hope. So it's like your brain goes, error 404, brain not found, but with a potential fix. So, there you have it, folks. 10 rare genetic diseases that are so unusual, they probably need their own TV show. But in all seriousness, while these conditions are rare, they are real, and they affect real people. So, let's raise awareness and maybe not make fun of diseases that are this rare. Well, except for the sweet-smelling urine part, that's just weird.